Okay, we're going to go through your heating and hot water controls. It's situated here in the wall over the sink. So you go to your dial, you press your dial. You'll see you've got 4 icons. First icon is for heating. You turn your dial. Second one is for hot water. The third one is for your power source. It's gas or electricity. And the third one is for your fan speed. So you'll see above the line there's nothing here at the moment. So for example, let's say we're going to set the heating. Go there, we press the center. It's off. So you can turn your dial to control your heating to anything up to 30 degrees. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to start at 20. That's 20, select 20, press your dial. Now you'll see your heating flashing. You'll see your gas symbol here, which means the gas is operating. You've got your gas, it's on gas at the moment. I'll go through that in a second. And you've got your fan is on first speed. So if you go in again, hot water, press hot water. You've got off, you've got eco. Eco will heat your water to 40 degrees. It'll take longer to heat. Hot, this will heat the water to 60 degrees. Boost will boost your water to 60 degrees quicker. It'll revert to whatever setting you had previously, whether it's on eco or hot. So for example, if you have your hot water set at eco, select it here, and then you subsequently go in and boost to heat the water, it'll go to 60 degrees but revert back to eco, which will keep the water at 40 degrees. This will continue to flash until your water hits the desired temperature. It'll heat 10 litres of water to 40 degrees or 60 degrees if you prefer 60 degrees. Just to be aware, 60 degrees, be very careful of showering and for children to make sure it can be quite hot, so you need to have the mixer and the cold mix accurate. So boost there. Next one we have is the power supply. So again, you pick on power supply. At the moment on the top you see just the gas bottles on gas, so I press, you're on gas. Turn again, you're on mix. Mix 1 is gas and 50% of electricity. When you're hooked up, you need to be hooked up to the mains at the campsite. Again, go back over. Gas, mix 1, mix 2, that means you've got full electricity and gas. Then you've electric 1, which is half electricity, and electric 2. This is depending on the strength of the power supply you have at the campsite. The best, most efficient is gas. It uses your gas, but it heats the water, heats the heating a lot quicker. You select gas. Then you go to your fan, you select fan. You can have eco or high. If you press high, you'll see 2 fans indicated. It'll heat your van a lot quicker. It'll be a little bit noisier, the fan, but if you want to get the heat up and the hot water up quicker, it's a setting you need to use. Alternatively, you can go in, you're not such a hurt, you can go back to eco and you're on. So basically, at the moment the cabin pressure is at the desired. So if I go back to heating, for example, and heating, and I run that up to 30 degrees. It's going to draw. So you continue to see the flashing until it hits the desired temperature. So if you want to go ahead then and turn off the heating and the hot water for any reason, you just select your icon, select heating, and you revert your dial right back to off, select. Likewise, you go to hot water, go to off, select, and then you'll see everything is off. You have a clear dial up on top, and we're all good. So when you're using your heating, it's very important that just below the back bunk here, for example, if an extract is to make sure this is not blocked by luggage or shoes or whatever, because this is where the heat source will leave. Also, just under the front dining table, you have another one here. So again, just to make sure they're not obstructed in any way, that'll affect the heating and the hot air coming out into the cabin.